Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to cut video clips using Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so on my desktop I've got this folder, and inside this folder I've got 4 video clips. I'm going to put links to all of these video clips in the YouTube description, or you can use your own video content. I'm going to show you how to download one of the video clips. We'll go to the link here and I'll put links to all of the videos, and you just click on the drop down and then click original. Make sure it's 1920 by 1080. So whatever you download, make sure it's 1920 by 1080 and then click free download, and you'll have one of the video content. You can just do that 4 times and I'll put all 4 links in the YouTube description. So we've got 4 video clips here, and we're going to go to Premiere Pro and let's go ahead and delete this content, and we just drag and drop these 4 video clips onto the timeline. So we've got 4 video clips in here. I'm going to hold down the Alt key and use the mouse wheel to zoom in a little bit. And you can see this one's got audio and these ones have audio tracks, but there's no actual audio playing in the video. And in my previous tutorial I showed you how to delete audio, right? But that was only for one video clip. So if we hold down the Shift key and hold down the Alt key, we can click on the audio tracks only. And I don't want this audio, so I'm going to delete it. If you want to keep your audio, just don't do this step. I'm going to go ahead and hit the delete key. So now we've got no audio. We can put music in the background or something different after. And the goal of this tutorial is to just edit this video content, cut out pieces of content that we don't want. So let's move across the timeline. And normally I use the timeline cursor. So let's just say we want to cut this at this particular point. We go ahead and click on the razor tool here. And then it's nice to place your timeline cursor where you want the cut, because then the razor tool snaps to that particular point, and when you left click it will cut it here. It's a little bit hard to see, but when we move the cursor, so we move our timeline cursor, we can see there's 2 parts to this particular video clip now, right? We haven't deleted anything, all we've done is cut it. So this one in the middle here, let's just say we leave this one alone because there's not really much time there, but let's just say we want to cut around here, and then we want to cut some of the end part around here. We'll just move our timeline cursor and cut like this, right? And let's just say we want to get rid of this end part here. We'll click here. Now we can go ahead and click on the selection tool, and let's say we want to get rid of the first part here. We'll select it and hit the delete key, and we want to get rid of the end part here. So as we scrub across, we want to leave this one actually. This beginning part we want to remove, and then we want to keep this part here. So we'll click on this part and delete it, and then we'll click on the end part and delete that. Right, so we just slice in or cut in the video wherever we want, and then we can just go ahead and close these gaps. There's a couple of ways to close the gaps. We can just select everything on here. We can go to sequence, and then we can click close gaps here, and that will just close all of the gaps, and then we can just drag this to the beginning of the timeline, right? So now we've edited the video the way that we wanted to edit it, and we've got this content here on the timeline, and you can go ahead and put your transition. So let's do a couple of quick transitions. We'll click in here, click dissolve, and we'll just put a cross dissolve onto these video clips, right? We'll just drag and drop across dissolve here, and then we'll have some sort of transition, at least some basic transitions here, fading in and fading out. So now we can see it's going to fade in nicely, and then it will get to the next video clip, and then it will do a cross transition between them, fading in and out, right? Nice and simple. So that's how you go about cutting video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Remember, we're not marking in and out in this particular tutorial. We're just using the cut tool to slice up. And normally I have quite a long video clip here, and I might want to slice certain parts out. Any sort of errors or mistakes that I don't really want in the video content, you can quickly slice them up and then just delete your parts as you need to. Okay, let's go ahead and minimize this. We'll close this folder. That's how you go about cutting video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.